Ayan guys, pupunta tayo dito sa Opus, yung bagong mall dito sa Bridgetown. Alright, tara! So dito na sa Bridgetown. Papasok na tayo. And of course, pagliko mo dito sa right side, ayan na yung Opus Mall. Ito na yung parking area. So first time natin magpa-park. Dahil first time na natin dito sa Opus Mall. Let's go! Of course, tingnan mo naman yung parking nila. Maluwag naman yung parking nila guys. Okay, so ayan, dito na tayo. Ayan, entrance.
Get QR.
Pindutin mo lang, may lalabas na ng parking ticket. Ano yan, automatic na tumaas. So, let's go. So, dito sa parking nila guys, mayroong area para sa mga gusto mag-charge, mga electric cars. Ayan, diba? So, sige, hanap pa tayo ng parking space. Sa entrance, nasa second floor tayo. So, pagpasok mo, mayroong driver's lounge, tapos mayroong elevator. And then they have the pay stations for your parking. So they have the auto pay station, the pay stations which can cater cash or e-cash. So auto pay nila just cash. Okay, papasok na. Dito tayo sa level 5 cinema area. So malawak. Marami pa mga vacant stalls. Okay, 5th floor tayo. So sa 5th floor nila, Premier Cinema. So here. Ayan, makikita mo. Marami pang wala talagang wala pang mga stores karamihan. Pero this is how it looks like, the cinema area. So, mukhang pang mayaman, mga gold ang mga motif dito. So, pang mayaman. So, meron silang VIP cinema. Ayan, meron silang VIP cinema there. Snacks, tickets. Alamin nga natin magkano yung movie tickets nila. Ayan, tapos from there sa VIP cinema, mayroon pa doon pag ganon. Ayan. So I think this is the regular cinema. 400 pesos daw yung movie ticket. Dito naman sa VIP at family cinema nila, 600 pesos. Walang inclusion yun ticket lang. So from the top floor to the very ground floor, this is how it looks like here. So going down to the 4th floor, at nandito na tayo. So guys, nandito din tayo kasi hinahanap natin yung Olive Garden na resto. Kasi we will have our client visit. Of course, this is a new mall and we want to make sure na yung area kung saan tayo magdi-dinner with the clients is maganda, right? So this is the one in the 4th floor. Mukhang wala dito yung Olive Garden. Kasi ayan yung ceiling nila here, right? Ayan yung ceiling nila. Then they also have garden outside guys, so medyo malakas yung ulan if you can see. Dito yung mga kalabas. But here's the door. Pwede bang buksan? Ayan, pwede pala pero lakas ng ulan. Balik tayo. So we're going down to the 3rd floor. So sabi ng guard, yung hinahanap namin resto, yung Olive Garden na tatagpuan sa ground floor. So since first time natin dito, ikutin na rin natin bawat floor. Let's go. So ayan siya, marami pang vacant na stalls. Okay, dito na tayo sa 3rd floor, let's go. So dito sa 3rd floor guys, parang wala pang stalls, wala pang stores. So diretso na tayo sa 2nd floor. So from the 4th floor, parang napansin namin nandun yung food court nila. So let's find out anong meron sa 2nd floor. Dito sa 2nd floor, bumubungad agad itong jewelry store. So we have this, a Foot Locker. We have Converse, we have New Balance, we have Skechers. So, dito sa 2nd floor to. Gintong-ginto. Gintong-ginto yan, And we're seeing some few stores dito sa 2nd floor. So, we have that. And now we're here at the ground floor, guys. So, tingnan natin. Ganda ng structural design niya. That's how it looks. So we'll transfer to another building. Ito yung connecting bridge niya. Papunta sa kabilang building. So let's go. One of our favorites na kinakainan, Origami. Grabe, daming tao dito. So we have TGIF. So ito yung Olive Garden. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Let's go. So mag-i-inquire na tayo dito. Miss, do you have like an area good for 15 to 20 people. Tapos medyo...
Tonight ba?
Hindi naman tonight.
Ah, okay.
So,
We have naman to.
So, hanap tayo ng area.
So, kaya isang connecting
Ayun, yung one long table lang. So, this is the...
connecting. Pwede din dito.
I think mas better ito.
Yes.
Napakita ko lang. So, very busy. So, ganyan lang dito. So, medyo maliit. So, okay doon. Alright, we'll leave the mall na. So, bayad na tayo dito ng parking. Parking rates. First 3 hours, 50 pesos.